If Uhoto was not playing, this goal wouldn't have happened. I said Guti, he's the most underrated player Orlando Pirates. Let me show you why. But I'm gonna show you the goal. But before I show you the goal, let me show you something. Right? I got this clip. I got this on YouTube. Right? He came here last year. Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs. Sorry for the poor connection. This is Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Pirates scored in this game. If it wasn't for Uhoto, his movement off the ball, the Pirates wouldn't have scored this goal. Let me show you now the final. Ngiyaphinda futhi guys, the most underrated player Orlando Pirates. Without Uhoto, this goal wouldn't have happened. Without Uhoto, this goal wouldn't have happened. I'm not saying Pirates being a record, but being a record so. Watch this guy. Watch Uhoto. Watch Uhoto. Hoto. Bafethu. Bafethu. The most underrated. Yeah. Yes, I understand. Akekho mnandi, akekho delicious. He's not good on the eye, right? But there are certain things that he does that no one else ozenzayo ku-Pirates or even ku-PSL. Just think about it, ne? Undaba plays on the left, but you'll never see him running phakathi nendawo or making a run afuna ibhola from the winger, ne? If you look at the right backs as a Pirate, you'll never see them running bangena phakathi nebhola or looking for the ball. Uhoto akekho mnandi, but he's a special kind. He's a special kind of a player.